just in here. I'm in Chegongmiao inside Shenzhen right now. And here we are at the platform for line 9 to Qianwan direction. We're gonna take 2 stops back to Shenzhen Bay Park, which is actually one of the lines I've never taken before. Is a new line that opened very, very recently. Chegongmiao over there, which is actually a mega interchange. It's just like Admiralty. It's literally just like Admiralty. It's very, very crazy interchange with 3 of them. So it means 4 lines at the station, and we literally just walked so far to get to the spot, which is actually very, very crazy. Actually, right here is actually pretty cool because there is actually cross-platform interchanges between line 9 right here and line 7, which is just across the other side there. So, but this is still on the right side because actually on that side of the thing is actually goes towards the other direction for the other cross-platform interchange, which is actually very, very cool. So at least it's cross-platform interchange here. Line 1 and 911 are actually very far away for this one. 1 minute for the next train and the next one's 3 minutes. Wow, that's crazy frequency. Let's wait for our train. It is a very, very new line, and I definitely hear the B series, kind of like B series motor sound, so it's going to be more of these Bombardier trains coming in here. Let's go ahead and take it. Now originally we were at High Tech Park since the last video, but we came back with line 1 again, so I don't want to film line 1 again, so that's why I just ignored that one. I didn't film line 1 once again, so we just came back with line 1 to Chegongmiao over here, and then we'll take line 9 now, which I've never taken before. The trains definitely look way newer than the other ones. Here's our train. Again, no idea what these train types is, we're just gonna take the journey. Here we are, very, very empty. Let's board. There's a guard at the front of the train. Now mostly should be still doors up on the left, so that's why I'm still going to actually stand on the left here. Definitely very, very cool, these trains. Now the guard is still there. That's fine. And we also have our electronic panels here, and we have the line at the top there. We're at Chegongmiao over there with 3 interchange, and we go this way back. Next is Xiasha, and then we have Shenzhen Bay Park. And here, Jesus. And no ads on these trains, nice. And here comes the guard walking over. Yep, here he comes. Let's go ahead and cut a little bit here. Alright, so CRRC for these trains, which I'm already used to these. It's very similar to actually like how the C trains are in Hong Kong. No ads on these trains, very, very nice. They actually call these numbers according to the line. You can see it's actually 9185 for the train car. So, and also all of the trains in Shenzhen and also all of the Chinese cities, they are all basically according to they're all according to lines for the trains. So that's why these trains only run on this line, so they're not going to run on the other lines. Here we are, Xiasha, no interchange. And we're getting off the next station for Shenzhen Bay Park. After that, I tried to actually take more lines to go back home. We'll be eating here, then we'll go back to Hong Kong. It's a day trip, so that's why it's not going to stay here. Plus, if I stay here, I can't access internet. I can't access Instagram. I can't access anything, so that's why I have to go back. Here we go. Very, very quiet door. Very, very quiet, but the windows are very small, so that's why it's kind of hard to film. Now, guards are scary, but so far I haven't got stopped yet, so that's why. That's very, very good, but unfortunately some of the sections will get cut out, but it's just like around 5 to 10 seconds of tunnel sections cut out, so that's why it's not too damaging. and literally a guard just walked past me and he didn't see anything, so it's like, it's fine. And here we are at Shenzhen Bay Park. Short video. Now all these will be premiered just to actually experience it together. So, no, most of you guys don't know anything about the Shenzhen Metro map, which I also don't so far, so that's why we're just gonna basically enjoy things here. Enjoying the trains. When you're still knowing nothing about the transit system, you're just enjoying the train, so. I think this line is fully underground, so that's why. But these trains are really similar to the sea trains though, since I look at it. It looks very, very similar to sea trains. And arriving Shenzhen Bay Park. Still China thing, so that's why right side travel. So all the stations mostly will be those open on the left if it's actually an island platform. Which most of the time they just design island platforms, they're not gonna do side platforms randomly, so that's why. Wow, this is a long section. But according to map, it's not Google Maps because Google Maps doesn't work in China. It's just random maps that's actually made by China. It says actually 8 minutes traveling between Chegongmiao. I still use the Chegong Temple because we have a Chegong Temple station in Hong Kong, which is the exact same name. But from Chegongmiao over here to Shenzhen Bay Park is 8 minutes, but now it's already... Oh, but I cut a little bit, so we're almost there. Quite a lot of stations, but I don't think it's going to be that long because technically in Shenzhen all the stations are very close by, so except this one, this is so long, this section, holy crap. And here's the arrival here. Shenzhen Bay Park. Looks like trains do terminate in the middle platform because that's what they do sometimes with the Spanish platforms like this. So I think trains does terminate in the middle. And here we are, Shenzhen Bay Park. The station does look very, very brand new. And there's a guard right there, hang on. And here we are, Shenzhen Bay Park. Let's send the train out. I know the guard is right there, but he's literally looking at the train, so he's not gonna care about me. Let's send it out.
The door will close soon. Please mind your safety.
Yeah, there's literally a guard right there. That's always scary, but the train should depart very soon. Because actually I just saw the driver. They actually come out very late. After the train door closed, then they come out and check things. In Hong Kong, we check things while door closing for the driver. So that's why it takes always so long for these trains to depart. Only 6 cars for these trains here. Hopefully that guy keep on walking that way. If not, I need to cut early. Okay, here we go. Let's get out. Very wide open at the front of the platform, which is very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on line 9. I will not be able to film every single line because some of them are very, very far away. So We filmed line 4, we filmed line 1, we have filmed line 9 right now, so that's why next time we maybe do some other lines. Click on these videos up top and we'll continue our Shenzhen journey in the next video. Peace!